Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I want to film 3 packages that I got in last night, and I'm going to do these real quick because Aaron is going to be here in a little while, and his name is on some of these, and so he's going to want to open them. This is from Ellen Caruso, and she is in Florida. So, ooh, I like that, the way she put that extra security on the envelope flap there. Oh, look at this. Happy anniversary. Wow, that is so pretty. Look how she put all of this is a die cut, I guess, and it's got little openings in it, and she put all of these little pieces of paper behind it. That is so cute. Then she cut out butterflies, and she colored the little body of the butterfly and put it in the center. That is so cute. I love that. She put a piece of ribbon right there. Okay. Hi Eve, I love your blog. I'm a new crafter in my retirement. This has been a great way to learn something new. But where we are closer in life, not crafting, is that my husband and I will be celebrating our 50th wedding anniversary. Congratulations, that is a milestone. Be it different in planning because of the pandemic. Yes, I understand. Happy 47th anniversary, what a milestone. Not many couples get to celebrate that milestone. What good role models for Aaron too. I hope you both have a wonderful celebration. Thank you so much, Ellen. That is so, so sweet. I love it. Made with love, Ellen. How sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to put that in our journal. That's going to look pretty in there. All right. Now, I hope, let me tell you this. I hope I've got all of these little pieces on the right packages. I believe I do, but what happened, I opened the packages and then I had them all stacked together, and then I actually knocked everything off of my desk. So I'm hoping that I put everything back correctly. If I didn't, I apologize, and let me know in the comments below if I did not. But I think that I did. I think. Okay. Now, I think this goes with this. I'm pretty sure. But like I said, let me know in the comments below, and I'm very sorry if I messed it up. Oh, I'm trying to get 4th of July stuff ready, and I was going to do these. This is from Nancy Carr, by the way, and she lives in North Carolina. And so I had it all out. I went ahead and opened everything and put them in stacks, and then I turned around and my chair caught it and just knocked everything in the floor. So I think I remember all of this goes together, Nancy. If it doesn't, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, ooh, I think this is a paper napkin. How cute. Look at that. Oh, wow, it's got something inside. Oh, it's got a butterfly inside it. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. And she made that, I am sure. Look at that. How cute. And it's 3 layers. That is wonderful. I love it. And I love that napkin. So pretty. Thank you so much. I'm going to put that back down in there so I don't lose it. Don't lose that butterfly. Okay. And then this says it's for Aaron. So I'm going to lay it over here. This is Edith. Okay. June 15th. Oh my goodness. Where in the world did you find a card that just says June 15th? How sweet. I love that. I've never seen one like that before. It says, "Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His mercy endureth forever." Psalms 136:2. That's the truth. Dear Edith, this is the first time for me entering this type of challenge. My entry is simple and not your favorite colors, but this is my style. Thank you for your video. I so enjoy watching them. Wishing you and your husband a wonderful 47th anniversary and many more. Blessings, Nancy Carr. Nancy, I love all colors. I just have a favorite color, but I love all colors. And I told you guys to do you. Don't do me, but do you. So whatever makes you happy, that is it. Look at all of these butterflies. I am happy with anything. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. There's a ton of them. There is a ton. I love this. And please, like I said, if I mix these up, please let me know in the comments below, and I will somehow correct it. I do apologize, but these are gorgeous. I love them. Oh my goodness. And they're all colors. These are going to be gorgeous on many albums. Oh my word. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Wow. All right, let me see if I can close that back, that washi. Okay, and then this is, see if I can open it without tearing anything. Because that tissue paper is too pretty to tear. Oh, how pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, look at that one. That is gorgeous, Magnolia. Love it. And look at these. Look at all of this. I have got to start doing some napkin stuff, haven't I? Oh my word, look at that one. Ooh, I love these. Thank you. Oh, these are gorgeous. Thank you so much. And the tissue paper, that is going to be fun to play with too. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Tag in there, lace. Oh, I love it. Oh, and look at this. I love how you put that little eyelet in there and a charm. That is so pretty. Nancy Carr. Okay, sounds like I might have got the right packages together. That is so pretty. I love that. And green is my color, girl. So you did fine. I love it. Oh, and it's made from envelopes. Oh my goodness. Okay, and there's another tag up here. I love, love, love it. Any types of greens and blues. See, that's another envelope right there too. So she's got an envelope with an envelope and a pocket. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. That is going to look so good in there. And look at that little charm with that little dove on the end of it. Nancy, that is beautiful. You did a fantastic job. And I love those colors. But y'all never worry about doing my colors or my style or anything like that. You do you. That's what I want you to do. You do you. Okay. All right. That was Nancy's. This one is Gail Davies, or Davis, I should say. Gail Davis. And she is in New Hampshire. I love that too. That is so pretty. And we will definitely be saving those stamps. Okay, so she's got a business. My business contact info is horizonhillcrafts.com. Facebook is facebook.com horizonhillcrafts. Etsy store is Horizon Hill Crafts. So she's Horizon Hill Crafts everywhere, it looks like. And I will put this information below. So I'm going to put it right there so that I can remember. Okay, pull that out. I love that tissue paper. Now I did untie it. She had it tied up beautifully with this twine, which I love. She had it tied up really, really pretty. Happy birthday, Aaron. So I'm going to give that to him. Okay, this will all be over soon. Look at that little mask. Thank you, horizoncrafts.com. Oh my goodness. Let's just open this up. I want to see this. Oh, how cute. There's a Band-Aid looking thing behind here. She's made like a Band-Aid, and then there's a little mask. Look at that. So she has sent this that we can send it to someone else if we need to. That is so sweet. Thank you. Oh my goodness. And you took time on that little mask, girl. That had to take some time to make that. That's so sweet. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's a little heart, a little vellum heart right there, and this goes under there. And then it opens up like this. Happy 47th anniversary. Happy birthday, Aaron. Hi, Eve. I love your June challenge. I have started paper crafting since March of this year. Have watched a lot of YouTube videos and became hooked. So much fun deciding what to create. Your video tutorials are so easy to follow along with. I hope you like the items I crafted and Aaron's handmade birthday card. All the best to you and your family. God bless you all. Love, Gail Davis. Oh my goodness, Gail. I love this paper too. Look at that. I will love everything, I promise you. There is nothing that I haven't got so far that I do not love. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn it over. I love your little labels here too. I'm gonna have to try to savor that one and put it in the journal. Okay, let's open that like that. I hope I'm not knocking anything off. Let's see. Okay, let me put that little bag over there. Oh my goodness, this has got a ton of stuff on here. I don't know where this little guy came from, but I'm gonna slide him right there. Look at this. Wherever you go, I'll go. I love that. That is so neat. This is a chipboard piece, and it's just on top of a little tag. That's a great idea to use your chipboard pieces. This is a little mason jar, and then it's got a paper clip on the back, and she's clipped that on the side. And then there's a tag here. Another tag here. These are so cute. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness. That was what weighed. Look at that. And that is so aged. It looks burned. That is so neat. Oh, I love that. Yes, I smelled of it. Be kind and humble. Oh my goodness. That is a real antique key. That's a real one. It's not a Tim Holtz one. That's a real one. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And then look at this little notebook. Let's see. Slide the little belly band off, and then it opens up like this. Look at all the journaling space. That is so neat. I love it, Gail. That is so neat. I had not thought about doing anything like that either. That's a good way to use up some scraps. All right, let's see what else we got in here. A vintage button. Okay, let's see. I'll probably get this tied in a knot. Nope, I actually didn't that time. Yesterday, I had one that had a button on it, and every time I would try to untie the knot, I would tie it more. So I don't have good luck with things like this. Let's see if I can do this one. There we go. I did it. Okay, and then it's just a fold out. Is that not neat? But it looks like a little envelope when you put it together. That is precious. I love that. I'll have to make some of those. Now, I'm not tying this back up as pretty as you, but I will get it done better later before we put that in the journal. Oh my goodness, look at this. She's got a piece here, and then there's a tag on the front. No, that tag's a different tag. Sorry about that. Doing what you like is freedom. Liking what you do is happiness. That's true. So then she's got two little banners here, and then some little tags in here. Is that not sweet? I love that. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to put these back down in here. And this goes over here. And I will do that better. I'll do that. I'll tie that better, I promise. When we start to put this in the journal, I'll make sure everything is tied back. I'll probably watch my videos back so that I can get all of the little pieces tied back like they're supposed to be. Look at that. That is so cute. I love that idea. Putting the different layers on those tags. That is so sweet. Thank you. All right, this right here come loose, so I'm going to glue it back real quick just so nothing will get lost. This happens in shipping, so don't worry about that. When I ship things to our Made It Con, when we do those, lots of times I have to re-glue everything when I get there, so it's not a big deal. It's just something that happens with the mail. Okay, I'm going to hold that down just a second. There we go. Good as new. All right, thank you so much, Gail. This is beautiful. I love it. And I will definitely be putting this in the journal, and I'll make sure that everything is fixed back correctly. And I'm going to put your items right down in here so that I can remember where they go. And we'll get that all on a journal page. That can be a nice journal page right there. Okay, that is it. We had 3 entries. When Aaron gets here, if he is okay, now when I say okay, you have to realize Aaron has autism. So some days he has good days and some days he has bad days, just like we do. So if he's having a good day, then he won't mind me filming him. But if he's having a bad day, then I may just have to take pictures and post pictures. That's just something that we have to deal with. I mean, because he has to deal with it. So we will do our best to get a video of him opening all of his gifts. But if not, we will get some photos of it for you. Now make sure that you go down below. I'm going to put this down below the video. Make sure you go down below and check out all of this information, and go over to her Etsy store and check out what she has over there. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.